Starting with the name of Allah Almighty, who is the master of the day of judgment, and the bundle of Durud Islam and beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Dear students, Cambridge O Level Mathematics, Syllabus D, Paper 1, 4024 by 12, May June 2023, and the question number is 12. There is a diagram on a piece of graph, and shape A and shape B are drawn on the grid, and in a part describe fully the single transformation that maps shape A onto shape B. Students, look at shape A and B, and if you look carefully on both the shapes, shape B is the enlargement of shape A, so the transformation is enlargement. I will write here enlargement. Then students, we have to find what is the scale of enlargement. Look at the height of shape A, it is 1 unit, and the height of shape B is 2 unit, and the length of shape A is 2 unit, and the length of shape B is 4 unit. So students, scale of enlargement will be 4 by 2 or 2 by 1, and it is 2. So the scale of enlargement is 2. Scale is equal to 2. At third number, we have to find the center of enlargement. For finding out the center of enlargement, we have to join the correspondence vertices of both the shapes, and if I join this point and this point, it will be joined in this way. And if I join these 2 points or these 2 vertices, so students, these both lines will intersect each other at this point, and the coordinates of this point is 1 and minus 1. 1 and minus 1. So the center of enlargement is center of enlargement is 1 and minus 1. It is the A part of question number 12. Now look at B part. B part is draw the image of shape A after a rotation of 180 degree about origin. 0, 0 mean about origin. We have to draw the shape of size A by rotation 180 degree about origin. Now students, if we have to rotate any of the shape, we have to change the coordinates of, we have to change the sign of the coordinates. I mean to say xy is changed into minus x and minus y, and it is the rotation about origin or about any point with 180 degree. Now students, the coordinates of this point of shape A are 1 and 1. So when we change the sign of the coordinates of this point, it will be minus 1 and minus 1. So this will be the point. And coordinate of these points are 3 and 1. So the coordinate after rotating 180 degree, it will be minus 3 and minus 1. And the coordinates of this point is 1 and 2. So the coordinates will be minus 1 and minus 2. And the coordinate of this point are 2 and 2. So after rotating 180 degree, the coordinates will be minus 2 and 2. Minus 2 and minus 2. Now students, we will join these 4 points with the help of scale. and this is the image of shape A after rotating 180 degree about its origin, and it is A prime. It is question number 12. Now students, I am going to solve question number 13 of same paper, that is, these are the first four terms of a sequence 1, 3, 9 and 27. Find the next term of the sequence. Now students, look at the numbers or the terms 1, 3, 9 and 7, and it is the multiply. If we multiply first term with 3, we will get 3, and if we multiply second term with 3, it will become 9, and again we will multiply 9 with 3 and it will be 27, and again we have to multiply 27 with 3 and it will be 81. So the answer is 81. And students, B part of the same question is, these are the first 5 terms of a different sequence. Find an expression in term of n for nth term of the sequence. Now students, look at the terms 35, 31, 27, 23, 19, and if you look carefully, here are the difference of -4. Again, if we subtract 4 from 31, we will have -4. We have to subtract -4 to get 27, and if again we subtract 4 from 27, we will have 23. So the difference is -4, and the formula to find the expression or nth term sequence, it is a nth is equal to first term plus n minus 1 into d. Now students, we have to find nth term, and first term is 31 plus n minus 1 and difference is -4. Now we will simplify it, and it will be 31 minus 4n plus 4, and the formula will be 35 minus 4n. So it is the expression 35 minus 4n. Question number 14. Write 325 as the product of its prime factors. So students, we will find the prime factors of 325. 325 is odd number, so it cannot be divided by 2. And the sum of 3, 2 and 5 is 11. 11 cannot be divided by 3, so 325 cannot be divided by 3. And the last digit is 5, so we can divide 325 with 5. Take the table of 5 up to 32. 5 6 are 30, and 2 carry, and 5 5s are 25. Again, 65 can be divided by 5. 5 1s are 5, 1 carry, 5 3s are 15, and then students, 13 1s are 13. So the prime factors of 325 are 5 square and 13. Now students, B part of the same question, there are two numbers p and q. P is x to the power of n y square, and q is n to the power of n minus 1 y to the power of 4, where x and y are prime numbers. Find the highest common factor of p and q. Given your answer in term of x, y and n. Now students, p is x to the power of n into y square, and q is x to the power of n minus 1 into y to the power of 4. Now students, whenever we have to find the highest common factor, we have to take the minimum power of the same variable. Now students, look at x to the power of n and x to the power of n minus 1. n minus 1 is the minimum power from these two prime numbers. So students, we will take x to the power of n minus 1, and here the minimum power is y square, so if we can write it as y square. Another method to find the highest common factor will be p is equal to x to the power of n multiplied by x to the power of minus 1 multiplied by x to the power of 1 multiplied by y square. And students, as we have multiplied x to the power of minus 1 and x to the power of 1, so we have nothing added or subtracted, and it can be written as p to the power of n x to the power of n minus 1 multiplied by x to the power of 1 multiplied by y square, and take q as x to the power of n minus 1 into y square into y square. Now these two numbers are the common factors, so it will be the HCF. So students, HCF is x to the power of n minus 1 into y square, or you need not write into. So students, I have solved these questions in this video, and I hope that you have understood all the points, and if there is any ambiguity, you can contact me through Instagram, as well as you can comments at the end. And at the end, I would like to say that may Allah Almighty bless you all the time, and have a good day.